The measles outbreak has spread from California to Pennsylvania. Public health officials say it could make its way here to Tennessee.
Yeah, News Channel 5's Andrea Klein-Thomas takes a look at the debate the outbreak is fueling right here at home and what the law says about parents' choices. It's a story all new for you at 6:30.
Here in Tennessee, we allow people to exempt themselves for a religious exemption if they have a religious reason.
Unlike other states, Tennessee doesn't allow parents to opt out of vaccinating their child for personal reasons.
I would challenge them to actually be around my children for a little while and watch them and how vibrant they are.
It's 99% effective. It was 10 years ago, and it will be 10 years from now. It's pretty stable.
According to the state's top epidemiologist, medical limitations and religious objections are the only allowable exemptions under the law.
Not only is getting immunized a decision about yourself, but it also has an important effect on the people around you in your community.
Metro Schools only tracks religious exemptions for kindergartners, where fewer than 1% or 53 students have exercised that right. It's also fewer than 1% or 408 of all students in Rutherford County schools, and almost 1.5% of students in the Franklin Special School District. Still, more than 95% of Tennesseans have been vaccinated. The rules are less strict in other states like California, where the current measles outbreak started at Disneyland.
Even though we have very high rates of vaccination, that doesn't guarantee that we won't see a case.
Private decisions are leading to public outcry as the country addresses the worst measles outbreak in 15 years.
You're putting at harm not only your own loved ones, but all of the people in the community around you.
This is an issue that has many of you fired up on Facebook. We posed the question, and this is what some of you had to say. Katie Sharon says it's taken years and millions to eradicate some of these diseases, and if we don't get our children immunized against them, they will come back in full force. Later on, Amy Power said, "I will never vaccinate my children. I don't think people understand that it's not so clean cut." We're inviting you to join the conversation on my Facebook page or the station's Facebook page. I'm Andrea Klein-Thomas, News Channel 5 HD.
Last year, 4 cases of the measles were reported here in Tennessee and were a result of someone coming to the state from overseas. So far, no new measles cases have been reported in Tennessee.